Annabel, I not think. Try it. Annabel, can you turn that off? Okay. Mummy say not to touch her new hairdryer. Stop being such a scaredy cat. Try this. Hey, stop that.
All right, dear. I'm off to work now. Have a good day, Ken. Bye, Chelsea. See you later.
Bye, Ken. What's wrong with him? He's still not happy that I say I not like Ben 10.
Don't worry, he'll get over it. One day. Girls, what was that?
Annabel, how you drop it? I'm not sure. I think it's still working anyway. Or maybe it's not working anymore. I told you not to touch it. Hey, we say that Tommy did it. Tommy downstairs with Mummy. Oh, Daddy did it. That's it? No way. I'm telling Mummy because... Yowza. Isabel? You alright? Isabel?
Isabel? Come on, wake up.
Is she alright, Mummy?
Isabel, thank goodness.
Where am I?
What do you mean, where are you? You're at home.
Oh, and who are you?
Isabel, I'm your mother. You really don't remember me?
No. Where are we going?
To the doctor's. Hopefully he can tell us what's wrong with Isabel.
So I'm 4 years old? Yes, like me. And who are you?
What? That's your twin sister Annabel.
Twin? So we look the same? Exactly the same. How come you not look as pretty as me? What? Hey!
Do you remember Tommy?
That me? No. So you my brother? Not just any brother. I smart, and I handsome, and I run really fast. And so you my brother? Yes. So you think Isabel got
amnesia? No, I don't think so, Annabel. Well, it looks like she has amnesia. What? Isabel!
Mummy, there was a strange man over there.
Huh?
You not remember our daddy? That our daddy? He look kind of old.
I do not look old. The doctor said that Isabel has amnesia. She can't remember anything? That's right.
Come and sit up here, Isabel. Whoa! How many people live in this house?
I'm not old.
Are you my sister too? No, I'm your Auntie Chelsea. You not look old enough to be my auntie. Isabel, are you alright? I'm fine, but you not live here too, do you? Isabel, it's Stacy, your Auntie Stacy. She has amnesia. Wow, you must have bumped your head pretty hard.
The doctor said she should get her memory back soon.
I hope so, 'cause I not remember anything.
Barbie, I'm not that old, am I? Ken. Alright, well, I'm going to have a shower.
Uh-oh.
Da-dee-da-dee-da.
Mummy, you're not going to wash your hair, are you?
Oh, yes. I can't wait to try out my new hairdryer.
Oh, great.
Pardon?
That's great. Well, I see you later. Much, much later. I like to watch this. Oh yeah, all the time. I know we like it, but I leave it on for you. Then we change it. No, I like watching this. Isabel, it's time. Time for what? You forgot? You rub my feet every day. I do? She does? Tommy? Oh yeah, she does. Are you sure? I don't remember doing this. Of course you don't. You don't remember anything. Come on, Isabel. Let's play hide and seek. I not really want to play that. Oh, but you promised. I did? Yeah, just before you bump your head. Oh, alright. I suppose I have to if I promised. Yay!
Annabel?
Uh-oh. Yes, Mummy?
Why did you ask me if I was going to wash my hair?
No reason. I'm just wondering.
It wasn't because you broke my new hairdryer, was it?
Well,
Annabel,
I wasn't going to say anything, but Isabel broke it.
What?
What? I tell her not to touch it, but she don't listen to me.
Isabel?
Don't ask me. I don't remember.
Well, this is just great. You wait until you get your memory back.
Uh-oh.
Thanks for telling me, Annabel.
You're welcome.
Good night, girls.
Good night. Good night, old man.
I heard that.
Daddy's still upset at Tommy? Well, Tommy did say he not like Ben 10.
Oh, well. Hey, Isabel, you just remembered something.
Oh, yeah, I did. I remembered it happened on Christmas Eve. You getting your memory back already? I hope so. Oh, no.
That's wonderful. Good night, girls.
Good night. Hey, Tommy. Yes, Isabel? I not like watching that ABC show. You tweaked me. Okay, fine. I sorry. I can't believe he tweaked me. Good night, Isabel. What is it? You remember something? Auntie Chelsea tweaked me too. Phew. Auntie Chelsea, you tweak me. Huh? What? I do not rub your smelly feet every day. Oh, you remember now. Hey, I not break the hairdryer. You did.
I knew it.
Well, it's been nice knowing you guys. Bye.